Remember? You probably did this experiment yourself in earlier classes. You took a variegated leaf, one that's not all green, some white, some green parts, and you put it in light. Then you tested it for starch. What happened? The starch formed only in the green parts, the white parts nothing. So what does this tell us? Photosynthesis needs chlorophyll. That green pigment, that's essential. And photosynthesis needs light because you expose the leaf to light. So we know two requirements already, chlorophyll and light. But there's a third thing that's also needed. So another experiment you might have done. Here's how it works. You take a leaf, right? You cover half of it with a test tube that has KOH soaked cotton inside. KOH, potassium hydroxide, it absorbs carbon dioxide. So inside the tube, no CO2. Outside the tube, air is there, CO2 is present. You put the setup in light for some time, then you test both parts of the leaf for starch. What happens? The part outside the tube, the part exposed to air, it has starch. Positive test. The part inside the tube where CO2 was absorbed, no starch. Negative test. So what's the conclusion? Carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis. Can you explain how this conclusion is drawn? Because if CO2 was not needed, both parts would make starch, no? But the part without CO2 doesn't make starch. So CO2 must be necessary.